Hey guys, and welcome back to another lesson. In this part of the course, what we're going to be doing is moving into what is the basics of the blues scale. Now, there is so many advanced techniques we can talk about when it comes to the blues, and one of the biggest misconceptions when it comes to the blues that I always find with students and anyone I talk to is that the blues is easy to play. Now, while the basic concept of the blues scale and maybe playing some basic licks is easy, being a great blues player is much more involved than just ripping out a few cheese ball licks and things that everybody plays. All of the masters have a special technique, a tone, a feel, a vibrato, and all these advanced feel and just touch on the instrument that make the blues such an emotional and engaging genre of music to listen to. So we're going to look at the basics of how you can get started on your blues guitar journey by learning the scale, going through 5 shapes of the blues scale, and then like we did with the other stuff in the minor pentatonics, we're going to condense the information down into more digestible chunks so you can really get your fretboard knowledge of the blues scale under your belt as well, and some of those tasty licks as well to get your improvisation hammering through. So let's get started. Enough babble. I'll see you soon. Okay, let's have a look at string group 2-2 all through the 5 shapes using those same techniques we've just looked at now. Let's get on the fretboard. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, it's just going to be a very quick recap. Here we go. 2-2 string groups is going to sound like this for the blues scale in shape 1. Very friendly, everybody loves that sound. If we move it to shape 2, we get this. Another friendly going to shape 1, shape 2, shape 3. But anyway, you're going to start wanting to do this too, because it's really fun to add these new techniques in, and I feel that you're going to hear this and go, man, I just want to start jamming and soloing. And that's the whole idea about this, is to inspire you to want to keep playing and jamming over the backing track with these new ideas as we slowly add these new techniques and ideas into your solo ideas. Okay, so what you can see I'm doing there is I'm sliding in the first part of this note from the C note up to the C sharp, going down the triad notes from our minor triad into the pentatonic shape or the blues shape with a little pull off there. Now in the supplementary video I'm going to show you today, it's just going to have the backing track that we've been playing over for this whole series, but I'm going to have like different visual diagrams coming up all the time that recap all the things that we've covered so far. So that's really should be a nice little practice and study thing that we can hopefully keep you going to just maybe refresh on some of the topics we've gone over, but also just as a practice tool for you to look at and then keep your improvisation journey going strong.